Curious about the release date and latest updates for the Apple Watch Series 10 or the Apple Watch X? Watch the entire video to get all the details and rumors. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech videos. Drop a comment below to let us know which product you want us to cover next. Design updates. The Apple Watch Series 10 is expected to launch this fall, and numerous rumors have surfaced. The most notable design changes include larger screens and a thinner profile. Apple's trend of making its devices slimmer and lighter continues with this model. The current sizes of 41mm and 45mm will expand to 45mm and 49mm, a 4mm increase. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests this will be achieved by reducing display bezels and shrinking case edges. 3D CAD renderings from 91 Mobiles support these claims, showing a potential screen size of 50.8mm without significantly enlarging the chassis. If true, this would make the Series 10 larger than the Apple Watch Ultra's 49mm display. Display and power efficiency. The new display will also be more power efficient. An April report indicated that Apple will use low-temperature polycrystalline oxide (LTPO) thin-film transistor (TFT) technology in the OLED display, which should improve battery life. Personally, I struggle to make it through the day on a single charge with my regular Apple Watch. How about you? Share your experiences in the comments below. Design overhaul delayed. Initially, there were talks of a radical redesign for the Series X or Series 10, including a new magnetic band system incompatible with existing bands. However, Bloomberg later reported that this visual overhaul has been delayed until 2025 due to the complexity of the changes. Disappointment with the redesign delay. I'm really disappointed about the delay in the redesign. The Apple Watch has had the same basic design since its launch, with only minor tweaks for screen size and new sensors. While the Apple Watch Ultra was a departure, its design wasn't a major change. I prefer the aesthetics of the regular models, especially the stainless steel, and was looking forward to an update without the rugged look. It seems we'll have to wait at least another year for a redesign. Other rumored features. Besides the larger screens, other rumored updates for the Apple Watch Series 10 include new biometric sensors for blood pressure monitoring, which will provide general trends rather than on-demand readings. Sleep apnea monitoring is also expected, expanding the current sleep data capabilities. Expected release and watchOS 11. The Apple Watch Series 10 and Apple Watch Ultra 3 are both expected to launch this fall, likely at an iPhone event in September, following the release of watchOS 11. This new OS version will introduce many features for existing Apple Watches. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited as we are about the upcoming Apple Watch Series 10, or perhaps the Apple Watch X, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest Apple news and rumors. We'd love to hear which product you want us to cover next, so drop your suggestions below. See you in the next video.